first, honey, and this is first time doing it.
Much closer to the water, honey. Okay, stop. Shake it more. There you go. There might not be that much left. Try a different color.
Okay.
We just grabbed all the cans we have in our garage.
Yes.
Okay, shake, shake, shake. Get right close to the water. There you go. Okay, stop. It's spray in different spots. Like make different polka dots or something. There you go, like that. Okay.
Let's try the red again.
Now that one might be empty. Oh! There you go, okay.
Now last blue one, silver.
Okay, shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake. It's a bit different.
Okay, don't aim it at your face, please. Whoa! Okay, you have to aim it at the water, not at yourself.
I didn't know it's that way.
Wipe it off on the yucky grass.
No.
Might have to shake it again. There.
Okay.
Okay, you want to try one or you want to do any more colors?
I want to try it.
Okay, which one?
Wait, we actually need, like, to get the colors in place. Now, last one. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
This one first.
Okay. Go slow. Probably should have put some gloves on you. You're gonna have horrible hands. Okay, you're supposed to swipe the paint away. Like put the bottle under the water. Too late now. Take it out. Look at your hands. Watch your shirt. I should have given you some gloves. Here. So this is why we're doing practice. So that's not bad, but it's a bit messy. So what you're supposed to do, Jackson, is push it all the way under the water. And then while it's under the water, you move the paint on the surface out of the way so you can pull it back out. Your hands are gonna be a mess. That's okay. We'll get the paint off later. Okay, set up for, I guess we're gonna do the water gun next.
Yes.
Okay, shake.
Which one?
Whatever one you want.
Not working.
Not working? That one might be empty.
This one's dead.
That one's definitely full because Daddy just bought that one.
How do you open it?
Just pull. Might have to
Is
go
that
to...
good?
Yeah, no, I can see gray. I just had to move because the sun was kind of blocking.
Is this blue?
That is the blue one, yeah?
Okay, is it done?
Do you want to add white? I don't think we've done white yet.
We haven't.
Okay, don't forget to shake it. Okay.
How do you do this?
Are you pointing it the right way?
Yes.
There we go. Is that all you want to do? Okay, now remember to push it all the way down under the water slowly. Now, with one hand, hold it under and use the other hand to move the paint out of the way. Okay, now take it out.
It does not work.
Well, it kind of worked on the one side because you only put it in on the side. That's not bad.
Let's do it again.
All right, well, let's finish up. Tell them what you think about your first experience hydro dipping.
Good.
Look at me, show your hands. So gloves are probably a must.
Yes.
at me.
Like and subscribe, and don't forget to use that notifications.